I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. She took a bath before going to bed. She took a bath before going to bed. Let's take a break and have some coffee. Let's take a break and have some coffee. Take care and see you soon. Take care and see you soon. She takes care of her little brother. She takes care of her little brother. Take a look at this picture. Take a look at this picture. Please take a seat and wait here. Please take a seat and wait here. Students should take notes during the lecture. Students should take notes during the lecture. He took a picture of the sunset. He took a picture of the sunset. Learning a new language takes time. Learning a new language takes time. I will take part in the competition. I will take part in the competition. You should take advantage of this opportunity. You should take advantage of this opportunity. We need to take action to solve this problem. We need to take action to solve this problem. He took a risk and started his own business. He took a risk and started his own business. You must take responsibility for your mistakes. You must take responsibility for your mistakes. Take it easy and don't worry too much. Take it easy and don't worry too much. Take a deep breath and relax. Take a deep breath and relax. We must take the weather into account when planning the trip. We must take the weather into account when planning the trip. The concert will take place next Saturday. The concert will take place next Saturday. I took a nap after lunch. I took a nap after lunch. We take turns cooking dinner. We take turns cooking dinner. She will take an exam next week. She will take an exam next week. Let's take a walk in the park. Let's take a walk in the park. You need to take this medicine twice a day. You need to take this medicine twice a day. Sometimes you have to take a chance in life. Sometimes you have to take a chance in life. We took a flight to Paris last summer. We took a flight to Paris last summer. She has taken an interest in photography. She has taken an interest in photography. It's time to take a decision about your future. It's time to take a decision about your future. I need to take this call. I need to take this call. I took a nap after lunch. I took a nap after lunch.